Mbanani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Mina ke ingane yamakhehla amadala amakhehla amakhulu amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing and sharing light for the world to become better. Today I want to respond to a comment someone had asked ukuthi why ingane zesithunywa are suffering. And then when I hear suffering, I was like, suffering in what sense? So this person continued to elaborate and said, suffering by ungayibona inhlanhla yakho hlezi unganamali mhlawumbe uhlezi useyinkingeni, that type of suffering. Nayo ke into abantu kumele ukuthi bayazi, uma uyingane yesithunywa uyingane ekhethekile, and isithunywa sakhe isithunywa esiphezulu, isithunywa esinamandla, uzosiza, uzosebenza. You are bound to encounter challenges in your journey of life. Because of unamandla akanje, amandla wakho, they match the challenges that you have in life. And I know a lot of people balokolo bayabuza ukuthi ingane zesithunywa zahlupheka zaba ku-poverty kwenze njani, what is wrong? So sibukwa kuthiwa siyahlupheka, we do not have the materialistic things of this world. Well, nayi indaba, angeke uhambe nengilosi nabadala kanye nayo umvelinqangi bese-ke uyalamba. Akalambisana uNkulunkulu, yinto abantu kumele ukuthi bayazi leyo. Ekukhulekeni kwakho, ekujuleni kwakho, inkosi yabathumela abantu beze bezokusiza. Understand that inkosi ayikufuni uhlupheka. Inkosi ayikudalelanga ukuthi uzohlupheka. Yinto abantu kumele ukuthi bayi-understand. Uma uyithola uhlupheka, living in poverty, ubona into zakho zingahlangani, you must know that the enemy is in attack. You are in a fight and you need to fight. Because of ingilosi mangabe awuyilaleli, awenzi izinto ekumele ukuthi zenze, they try to show you the way, the path. Ukuthi we want you to do this, we want you to do this. Uma ungalaleli, and then kukhona into abazokuphazamisa ngayo. Bese mebekuphazamisa, then you understand ukuthi, oh, I really need to fix that. Isithunywa asimane nje sivele sikuhluthule sikuthathele izinto. It gives you warnings. Uyabonisa ukuthi kumele wenzani, uyatshela ukuthi kumele wenzani. Uma ungakwenzi, if you are busy delaying, bese kuyakwenzakalela. Bese masukwenzile bese konke bese futhi kuhamba kahle. Kodwa into engifuna ukuyiphakamisa, asihluphekise izingane zesithunywa. We are always tested and we are always under attack. And abantu abaningi abayiqondi futhi abayazi. Ungabe unesithunywa esiphezulu, uthunyiwe ukuthi uzothuthukisa ikhaya, uthunyiwe ukuthi uzobreaka ama-generational curses. There are people in your family who are in disagreement with your gift, who will go all lengths to destroy you or to sabotage you and also to delay you. Because of when you don't go out and consult, but bona bayahamba bayoconsulta, batshelwe ngawe, babuzwe ngawe ukuthi wena unamandla wothu isikhathi uwenza yonke into, and they will try by all means ukuqumba phansi. So into abantu abaneyingilosi eziphakeme, they are not aware of this thing ukuthi abantu basekhaya, your own blood, your own family, yibona abayokucindezela ukuthi ingilosi yakho ingaphakami or ingawenzi umsebenzi ekumele ukuthi uwenze. Uyibona uhlupheka, uyibona unganalutho, uyibuza ukuthi hayibo nginengilosi ephezulu, kuthiwa nginesithunywa, nginenhlanhla, ngine yonke into, kodwa into zami ngingaziboni. You cannot blame God. You can go to God and pray and ask for guidance. That's one thing I've done in my life. Mina bengumuntu oyingilosi ngisakhula. Ngikhula nayo ingilosi, ikhula nami le ngilosi. But I didn't know that there are people who are just going out there to Google me and find out about me. Kodwa ngoba yami ingilosi yayivalela kodwa ivule kanye neindlebe iyona beyibona kuqala. So I'll be unavailable in other things. I'll be in varsity, but I'll be working part-time, so spend less time with family, cousins, and all of those things. So nje I was always isolated esikhathini esiningi. Ngisho namhlanje I am isolated. Ekugcineni ngaboniswa izinto, ngaboniswa ukuthi kwenzakalani ekhaya. I had to take a stance and pray for the rest. Khulekela for the rest, breaking those curses, some of them. The enemy ephakathi kwekhaya was never happy. Because of they were never happy, they tried to attack. They tried to delay my process. They tried doing everything. Did I not stop praying? I have never stopped praying. I am praying up until this day. So ngifuna ukuvula wena amehlo ukuthi inkosi ayikulethelanga ukuzohlupheka, kanti futhi ikuthwesela amandla ngoba iyazi ukuthi uzonqoba. Unawo lamandla okukhuleka ukuthi uguqule isimo sakho, uzethule zonke inkinga zakho kumvele enqani, bese akunika abantu ozothuba ukukhuluma nabo bese bakumamele bakuzwe. Inhlupheko awudalelwanga yona. And another thing, I'll speak for myself. Siyahluka masiyingane zesithunywa. Angisiyena umuntu wobucwebe, angisiyena umuntu othanda izinto shiny. I might love beautiful things, nice things, but ingilosi engihamba naye namakhehla ngembethe nezalukwazi ezingembethe azithandi ubukhazikhazi. They like nice, clean, simple things. Akusukuthi sithanda ukubukisa, sifuna ukuba wow. And manje just because of thina siya abantwana beyithunywa, abantu abakhulekayo, people want us to match our power with these materialistic things. Ngoba ngingenamoto, ngoba ngingenandlu, ngoba ngingenazo zonke lezi zinto lezo, bazosho ukuthi hayibo uyahlupheka lo, angazi ukuthi wayasahamba nale ngilosi yakhe. So umhlaba has gotten us so confused and so worried kangale ndlela ukuthi we only think that a blessing it's only financial, and then we underrate these other blessings like the blessing of life, the blessing ukuthi I'm healthy, the blessing ukuthi I've got a family engithandayo. So wena lokho lukhalela ukuthi hey mina ingilosi yami wayengangiphi fancy ikhaya posh, wayenganginikezi indlu, wayenganginikezi ini. The blessing ukuthi I'm breathing, the blessing ukuthi I can still pray and still assist other people. Mhlambe uNkulunkulu yinto angifunela yona mina leyo. Akangifuneli ukuthi ngibe sebukhazikhazi because of ngisashona namhlanje, and I've said it in my other video. If I had a lot of money, do you think I'll be sitting here doing videos trying to teach people? Not really, because I'll be probably trying to catch a flight. I'll be probably somewhere doing other things. But my purpose, my sole purpose is to teach, to share wisdom. So if I'm sharing wisdom, that means why am I still here? Because of uNkulunkulu ufuna ukuthi ngikhanyisele izingane zakhe, ngiyibonise indlela okuyiyona ekumele ukuthi uyiphile. So ngani yesithunywa, wherever you are la uhleli khona, if ucabanga ukuthi ulahlekelwe, ucabanga ukuthi into zakho zimile zifasile wena, you've been suffering, but awuyiboni indlela. It's time to come to God and pray directly ukuthi ngicela ungikhanyisele, ungibonise indlela okuyiyona ekumele ukuthi ngiyiphile. Uzokucacisela, uzokubonisa, uzokunika ama-destiny helpers, abantu ekumele ukuthi bakubonise indlela okuyiyona. And if impilo yakho yayihamba kahle, azange sahamba kahle, you are under attack. But when you don't know. So don't be someone who is quick to say mina ingilosi zami zingidubile, or ingilosi zami ziyangihluphekisa, or ingilosi yami iyangihluphekisa. Cha. Try to understand ukuthi yakhe ingilosi isebenza kanjani. ngiyayazi yami ukuthi isebenza kanjani, and ngiyayazi yami ukuthi what does it require from me. And kumnandi ngoba iyakutshela izinto eziyifunayo nezinto ezingayifuni, and ifuna lokho luqinisa ikhanda. Ingilosi iyenza ukuthi izinto zisuke phambi kwakho nabantu basuke phambi kwakho abangakufanele. So don't ever think ingilosi isithunywa siyakuhluphekisa. Cha, inkosi angeke ikunikeze into ezokuhluphekisa. When you need to dig deep, pray and ask for direction and ask for help. If you udinga mediator lapho mhlawumbe uthola umuntu okhulekayo okwazi ukubona, akukhuleke nawe, akubonise indlela ekumele ukuthi uwenze ngayo. Awungaveli ucontrol ukuthi ngahlupheka ngoba ungathola ukuthi uhleli lapho uthi ingilosi yakho ayisebenzi, kanti lokho ucindezelwe, ufasiwe, uboshiwe. Wona nje umndeni okufasile okubophile awazi, wena ubhizi uthi bayangithanda, kanti abakuthandi, bakufasele ukuthi angeke alungelwe, bakufungele. I know this thing efamily, it's difficult to accept because of nami meyingenzakalela azange ngafuna uku-accept, kodwa ngiyambonga uMvelinqangi ukuthi wangikhanyisela mina, wangiprotector, wangiqinisa ukuthi ngikwazi ukuqinela other people in my family. So nawe don't ever think ukuthi unayo le ngilosi izokuhluphekisa. Le ngilosi inamandla, le ngilosi iza nama-challenges vele. You must expect ama-challenges because of the power that you have. It comes with responsibility. So if wena uzoba umuntu othi hayi inkinga zingaka, inkinga onazo zimatcha namandla akho, and inkosi ayikubekanga la emhlabeni izokuhluphekisa, ayikubekanga la emhlabeni izokuxakekisa. La uzibona khona ukuthi uxakekile, imemeze inkosi, ibize, seek him, bize, uzokwenzela, uzokubonisa exactly what you need to do, and stop forcing connections. If you don't connect with other people, don't force connections, because uthola ukuthi labantu ofoster ama-connections nabo yibo labantu abakudileyayo. 2, nikhuluma kakhulu ngane zesithunywa. Abantu, they share a lot about themselves, about their dreams, about their future, about all of those things. Abantu bakublokha lapho, bakucindezela lapho, into abayiphuphayo bayayikhuluma, bayayishare. So please pray and trust God. If you are still praying and you are stagnant, reach out for help. Get umuntu othandazayo akukhulekise, akusize, akubonise indlela ekuyiyona ekumele ukuthi wenzeni, uyihambe. Don't ever avoid instruction oyitholayo ngamaphupho wakho. Accept it, believe it, because abanye benu dala naboniswa ukuthi obani abanicindezelayo, abanibulalayo, but wena waqhubeka naloyo muntu loyo. Namhlanje uthi awunanhlanhla, awuyiboni isithunywa, kunini ukhuluma naso asikhulumi nawe, kanti kudala sikubonisa wena nje who was never ever paying what attention. So ngiyanicela, vulani inhliziyo, nikhulekeni ngokweqiniso, nicele kuyena uMvelinqangi anikhanyisele, anibonise indlela ekuyiyona ekumele ukuthi niyiphile, ngoba ingozi iseduze. Unuqabanga ukuthi le kuthi ingozi iseduze nawe, ofuna ukugwaza uphambi kwakho, akekho kude nawe, and ukugwazela lamandla onawo. Uma uzaliwe unayo ingilosi, ngesikhathi iyaphakama, iyasebenza, kusebenzeke. That's it. You will encounter challenges. Nami njengoba ngimila ngimikhona, I have scratches, I have bruises, I have scars zomuntu okhulekayo onengilosi, because of, as I'm praying, this journey is not easy. Uyolwa nabantu abaneyinhliziyo eziqinile, abanenkani ngaphakathi kwekhaya lakho. Kuzomela ukuthi ukhuleke, kuzomela ukuthi uqine. So you need to brace yourself. Zonke inkinga zokuphelelwa umsebenzi, zokungabi nemali, I've went through those things, but I've overcome those things ngawo umkhuleko. So if wena uyakhala and you're allowing the world to confuse you, you want to go where the wind blows, uzothathela inhlanhla yakho, uzothathela isiphiwo sakho, uzocindezelwa even worse. Pray, open your heart, and be specific to God. If you feel stagnant, try reach out to umthandazi, try and reach out to people who can help you. Ukhuleke nabantu, uhlanganane nabantu, reach out. Akhona amasonto asalungile asa-right, uhambe uye esontweni la kuprofitwa khona, bakutshele what's really happening, and stop blaming ingilosi yakho. Uma isithunywa sizoqala sikuhluthe izinto, sizokuwona before sikwenza konke lokho. I love you so much, guys. Akube nobumbano, nozwana, nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu.